Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best workout equipment for weight loss you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best workout equipment for weight loss on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which workout equipment for weight loss are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Nordic Track T-Series treadmills. This treadmill is one of the best machines for cardio training that also aids in weight loss. It's incredibly versatile, working great as both a low-impact workout and high-intensity workout. Take your workout to the next level with impressive decline and incline capabilities. With IFIT, your trainer will auto-adjust your treadmill to mimic real-world terrain. After each workout, you can easily fold your T6.5S treadmill up and out of the way for compact storage that maximizes your living space. This cushioning allows you to engage dampeners to soften the impact on your joints or simulate a real road running experience with a single turn. Smart response motor for effective speed, interval, and endurance training. 20 by 55-inch tread belt offers plenty of leg and elbow space as you run. Flex. Select deck cushioning protects your joints. Innovative space-saver design with easy lift assist means your treadmill can fold up after your run for compact, simple storage. Auxiliary music port and dual 2-inch speakers provide entertainment. Equipped with self-cooling technology, this powerful smart response motor is designed to support all types of cardio training, from heat workouts to endurance runs. Hop off the treadmill and follow your trainers to participate in high-powered cross-training workouts designed to get you moving and feeling good. Stream high-energy on-demand studio classes led by elite IFIT trainers in a motivating and empowering atmosphere anytime you want. Heat workouts, studio classes, and global workouts, your IFIT trainer will automatically adjust your speed, decline, and incline to optimize your exercise. Our second best workout equipment for weight loss is Sunny Health and Fitness Elliptical Exercise Machine Trainer. Pack a cardio workout in the comfort of your home with a pre-programmed elliptical trainer by Sunny Health and Fitness. Stride 15.5 inches when you step onto the wide and textured footplates. Grab onto the handlebars to engage muscles in your upper body and maintain balance during your exercises. Grip the pulse sensors to keep tabs on your heart rate as you stride. Stay active, schedule and achieve your fitness goals with the Sunny Fit app. Use the performance monitor to track your speed, time, distance, calories, RPM, watts, and resistance level. Includes 24 unique workout modes. Pulse sensor measuring your pulse rate is an important fitness metric. The more steady and prolonged the elevated heart rate is, the more calories are burned. Textured non-slip foot pedals will accommodate all sizes, while the textured grip will ensure safe footing during your workouts. The convenient bottle holder keeps your favorite refreshing beverage within arm's length. Utilizing the full motion handlebar will engage muscles in pecs, biceps, and traps while simultaneously activating muscles in glutes, thighs, and hamstrings. For details, let's watch more. Number 3 in our list is Amazon Basics Rubber Encased Hand Weight. A huge benefit of having dumbbells is mixing strength training and cardio is a great way to burn even more fat. Bring strength and resistance training into your workouts with this rubber encased hex dumbbell. Multiple weights available to suit your needs. The weight features a solid cast iron core for high quality strength and reliable stability from one workout to the next. The dumbbell's contoured, textured chrome handle helps ensure a secure, comfortable grip for lifting and training. The hexagon-shaped rubber encased ends help ensure safe, secure placement and easy access. Dumbbell hand weight for exercise and strength training, ideal for use in fitness classes, home gym, or workout area. Includes a single 20-pound dumbbell with a solid cast iron core. Fourth recommendation in our side is Xterra FB150 Folding Exercise Bike. The Xterra Fitness FB150 folding bike is the perfect exercise tool to help you comfortably pedal away the calories. Challenge yourself with 8 levels of resistance which are controlled with the easy-to-use large dial knob conveniently located under the console. The console is powered by 2 AA batteries, so you don't have to worry about finding an electrical outlet. The Xterra Fitness FB150 folding bike is the perfect exercise tool to help you comfortably pedal away the calories. With folded dimensions of only 18.1 by 18.1 inch and built-in transportation wheels, it allows you to store it away when not in use and open up valuable floor space. To ensure a smooth and sturdy workout, the FB150 is built in a strong X-frame design with thick steel tubing and a silent belt drive system. Challenge yourself with 8 levels of resistance while you easily keep track of all of your workout data with the easy-to-use console. It provides feedback on your speed, distance, time, calories, and pulse along with a convenient scan feature. Monitor your heart rate and make your workouts more effective with the handlebar-mounted hand pulse sensors. For improved comfort, the FB150 provides a large, anatomically designed, molded seat, and multi-position padded handlebars. Start the journey towards achieving your fitness goals today with the Xterra Fitness FB150 folding bike. For details, let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best workout equipment for weight loss list is TRX Suspension Trainer. This TRX suspension training system comes with a suspension trainer, an indoor anchor, an outdoor anchor, an introductory guide, a weights mount, a shaker bottle, 4 strength bands, and access to the TRX Training Club app. This best system is perfect for taking your regular fitness conditioning to the next level. Advance your fitness journey using just 7 simple, functional movements engaging every part of your body. The carabiner, safety tested for up to 700 pounds, has locking loops to prevent slipping, adjusters to quickly change the length during your workout, durable foam handles for comfort, and foot cradles to amp up any routine. The handles give you total comfort and added grip as you tone and stretch your arms, and the foot cradles help you amp up any exercise routine. The single anchor point can be attached to any secure elevation point, and the included carabiner is safety tested for up to 700 pounds. Use our suspension trainer on your anchor of choice outdoors or indoors to stay fit no matter where you are. For details, let's watch more.